Now children, reaching illustration 12 of your textbook to explain the suspense account. When the trial balance is showing a difference and we have to remove the error using a suspense account. Now reading the first transaction, it says credit sales to Arun. Credit sales to Arun means the first thing is Arun to sales, rupees 7,000. This is the correct entry. This is the correct entry. Were posted to the credit of his account. That means the amount is, the error happens in posting in the ledger accounts. See, it has to go to Arun's ledger and sales ledger. In Arun's ledger, the amount will come on the debit side. In sales ledger, the amount will come on the credit side. The question says it has gone, the credit is posted to the credit of his account. It is posted, the credit sales to Arun has been posted to the credit of his account, whereas it should have been on the debit. So what do we do now? We have, it should have posted to this side, whereas we have done this side. So what do? We double the amount this side. If this is 7,000 here, we write 14,000 here. See, this side becomes more than this side by 7,000. So wherever, I have told you earlier also, the error is with the wrong side, correct amount wrong side. The error is removed by passing the correct entry but with the double the amount in the correct account. So it will be Arun's account has to be doubled with 14,000. It will be 14,000 debited with 14,000. If Arun is debited with 14,000, what do we credit? Sales तो पहले ही ठीक है. So what do we credit? We credit suspense account. Suspense account with rupees 14,000. We have to pass the correct entry. In case it is corrected, then where will the second effect be? Entry is never incomplete. We cannot pass only debit or credit in the entry. The journal entry comprises of both the components, debiting as well as crediting. If debit is the error, we rectify the error, and the credit is the difference is posted to the suspense account. Now the next transaction reads credit purchases from bridge. Credit purchases from bridge means you have purchased from bridge. Purchases to bridge. This is the amount we have purchased from bridge for rupees 9,000. Were posted to the debit of his account as 6,000. That means it will go to purchase account. In purchase account, it will go to 9,000 here, and in bridge account, it has to go 9,000 this side. But what have we done? We have posted to the debit of his account as 6,000. We have posted it this side, 6,000. So what do? We have to post this, we have to make this side more than this side by rupees 9,000. तो अब क्या करो? इस साइड 15,000 कर दो. 15,000 दिस साइड. देखो हो गया डिफरेंस 9,000 का. हो गई ना 9,000 दिस मोर दिस साइड. 9,000 डेबिट आ गया ट्रायल बैलेंस का. वी हैव टू पुट 9,000 ऑन द क्रेडिट ऑल्सो. गलती से 6,000 डेबिट में कर दिया. अब 15,000 क्रेडिट में कर दो. एरर इज रिमूव्ड. सो द एंट्री विल बिकम सस्पेंस टू ब्रिज with rupees 15,000, and the error is removed. Third, goods returned to Charu. Goods returned to Charu means Charu, these are the returns to Charu. These are purchase returns. Were posted to the credit of her account. So it should have been, we have posted, it should have been, what is the correct entry? Goods returned to Charu wrongly credited to her account. We have returned the goods to Charu, so Charu to purchase return. But what has been done? We have posted to the credit of her account. Now that means you debit the amount with what has to be done. The amount goods returned to Charu for 4,000. You will write goods of double the amount to Charu. Charu to suspense with rupees 8,000. Goods next. Goods returned from Deepika for rupees 1,000. Were posted. Goods returned from Deepika. Sales return. were posted to the debit of her account as 2000. What is the correct entry for this? Sales return to Deepika for 1000. That means sales return has to be debited and her account, Deepika's account, should have been credited with rupees 1000. What has been done? Posted debit of her account as rupees 2000. Now that means her account has to be credited with rupees 3000. If her account is credited, what do we debit? Suspense to Deepika with 3000. Cash sales of 2000 were posted into the debit of sales account as rupees 5000. Suspense to sales rupees 7000 with the total amount. Cash sales for 2000. Cash sales of 2000 means cash to sales for 2000 were posted to the debit of sales account. Sales should have been credited with 2000, whereas sales has been debited with 5000. So sales will be credited with 7000 with total of the amount, and the balance will go to the suspense account and the error will be removed. Now children, after this you see the journal entries have been made for rectification of the errors using suspense account. From here, all the journal entries, you know how to make a ledger from the journal. In the end, we want to know somewhere suspense has been debited, somewhere suspense has been credited. In the end, how much of suspense is there? For that, we need to maintain an account. We make the account with suspense. Wherever suspense has been debited, we write to that account. Wherever suspense has been credited, we write by that account and find out the difference. That is the difference that we post to the trial balance. If it is on the credit side, we write by difference as per trial balance. In case credit is more, debit is short, we write to difference in trial balance, and the difference can come on the debit side. That is called making the suspense account and posting the difference to the trial balance.